Hi guys, I was going to go over 6.2, the visual analysis Automo blocks. So this isn't meant to be an Automo blocks assignment, so I'm going to change that right now. What you're going to do is you're just going to pick your part, whatever it is, and you are going to go back to those. You're going to go back to those visual design principles and elements, and you're just going to describe anything that you see in here. So those visual design elements that were, and I'm just going to show you this real quick. So back in 6.1, in presentations, there was a presentation that went over all of these visual designs, principles, and elements. So some of the elements were point, line, color, value, shape, form, space, and texture. Some of the principles were balance, emphasis, contrast, rhythm, proportion, unity, and economy. And so you were supposed to go through all of those. In 6.1, you're supposed to pick like 2 objects to go over and pull all those out of. For this particular assignment, you are just going to go through your one object, and you're going to do that one object. Okay, so I sent out in this More newsletter, if you looked, an example of a ladybug card that someone did. So if we go down through here, the visual analysis, they picked a ladybug card. You could have done like scissors, you could have done a pin, you could have done anything. So for this car, and you need to take a picture of it with like your phone or something, it was like a little wind-up toy ladybug car. And so just like this person did, she just went through the visual design elements present. There was straight and curved lines. There are red and black colors. In the shapes, there were some circles and ellipses. I would also say that it was in the shape of a dome. The ladybug car was. Form, hemisphere with other geometric cutouts. Space, caused by cutouts in the bottom of the toy. Texture, smooth on top, rough on the bottom surface. The visual design principles present. Top view has formal balance as the painted design is symmetrical. Bottom view also has formal balance created by cutouts. And if you go back to that PowerPoint, it talks about symmetrical versus radial versus asymmetrical. And so using that vocabulary to describe this is what you need to do. Contrast, the edges of the cutout contrast with the curves of the main form and painted design. I would say that there is a big contrast between the red and black colors. There's regular rhythm present in the ellipses painted on the front, and so it went over different types of rhythm that you would find. Proportions, the wheels to the toy body limits toy's function but makes it seem more realistic as a ladybug. Economy, simple lines and shapes, simple overall form overall. So here is a ladybug. And here are the ellipses, and that's what she pulled out of this ladybug card. It's a visual design analysis.